We're in the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank in Spokane, and I am joined by my group of friends where we get to taste some delicious food.
It's a good day to do it.
Yes, thanks for being here today. We have Val and Tomas and Chef Laurent Zarate. Thanks so much.
Happy to be here.
Yeah.
So good to see you all.
Well, we love having you here because you are sharing your recipes
Yes,
that you create for just this specific segments of
Yep.
Washington Grown, and you can only find his recipes on our website.
On my computer, but that's hard.
Right? Or up here.
Up here,
Yeah, but you could only find them on Washington Grown.
Yes.
So, yes, we
I
appreciate that.
love it. And because we're talking about carrots, we're gonna make a good soup out
yummy.
of carrots.
Ooh.
So it's a vegan soup, which is great, and it's gluten-free, and it's just a beautiful soup with ginger, coconut milk, and it's delicious. And it's
sounds so
heartwarming.
good.
Yeah.
In the middle of the winter, it's gonna be a perfect soup for you to
And
have.
carrots are so versatile too.
They
You can
are.
make, a ginger carrot soup, or like the
Ginger
salad
carrot
that
cake.
we made at carrot cake, the salad that we made at Driftwood that was so beautiful and kind of Mediterranean inspired with hummus and so good.
Complexion and eyesight.
Makes us look younger.
well.
Let's go. Let's have some of that soup.
They need some soup.
Here's how you make it. So colorful.
It's so vibrant.
And it,
It
smells
is.
incredible. It reminds me of a curry. Because of the
Yeah,
ginger
yeah.
that
And
I'm
the
smelling.
coconut milk.
And the coconut
Yeah.
milk, yeah.
Has some similar ingredients.
1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, I
So good.
And one little trick I found when you make a puree soup, that's a method of a soup, right, with vegetable, and you want it a little bit thicker, but you don't want to make a roux out of flour because you want to keep it gluten-free, right? And especially here vegan, meaning no butter.
Right.
I add a little bit of raw rice, just rice in it.
Oh.
And when you puree it, the rice make it thicker.
A little bit thicker.
And it's there is rice in that recipe, but you cannot taste the rice, right? It's just a thickener
Yeah.
agent. So it's a good
A good way to do it.
to do
Yeah,
it.
absolutely.
This is delicious.
This is really good.
Silky.
It's so cozy.
Yeah, but they're a little spicy with
Yeah.
the ginger.
It is really silky
Very silky.
texture. And it tastes healthy.
And the toppings. What do we have
Little
here?
pepitas.
Oh, yeah.
Very
Seeds
nice.
in there.
Yeah, and you could roast them, spice them up your way, and add them to it. And if you don't want pepitas, you make crouton. If you or anything with a little bit of texture, because
crunch.
otherwise it's some crunch. Otherwise it's too much like baby food. So we're not babies anymore.
No, we're not. It's delicious.
Yes, this is a very good soup.
Just warms you up.
Yeah.
It's great.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. I'm very happy you enjoyed it.
Yes, we do always enjoy your recipes.
There you
You
go.
can make it yourself.
And enjoy.
Yummy to our tummies.
To get the recipe for Chef Laurent Zarate's ginger carrot soup, visit us at wagrown.com.